Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back. Captain here. There's a lots of rumors surrounding the upcoming 2020 iPhone, but now the new update is coming. The 2020 iPhone science revealed the big iPhone 12 to be tailored than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Yes, one of the most reputable Apple analyzed macro tracker drop it an extensive report coming straight from the company supply chain revealed some key design feature along with sizes for the upcoming 2020 iPhone. The report claimed that for the yet another year, Apple will retain in the same design language which is in the stark contrast in previous analysis coming from the Ming Chi Q. Anyway, going by today's report, the iPhone 12 lineup will offer the same look. The 5.4-inch model will right between the iPhone SE and the iPhone 8 in height, while the 6.1-inch model will be somewhere between the iPhone 11 and the 11 Pro Max. The biggest 6.7-inch variant is expected to be even tailored than the current iPhone 11 Pro Max. Reportedly, Apple will make use of the extra footprint by inserting a bigger sensor for the main camera on the back compared to the last year launched in 2019 iPhone 11 Pro Max. Thickness figures have also been thrown around. The 6.7-inch iPhone will be the 7.4mm thick, which is considerable decline from the 8.1mm iPhone 11 Pro Max. Leaving the design aside, the rest of the new report is in line with what we heard so far from the Ming Chi Q. All iPhone variant will have OLED panels, but with a different camera setup. The 5.4-inch will have a dual setup. The 6.1-inch will come in two flavors with a 2 and 3 rear camera, while the 6.7-inch model will stick the triple camera setup on the back side. The more expensive model, the 6.1-inch with a 3 camera and the 6.7-inch will also feature a 3D TOF sensor. And the iPhone 9 moniker is still on the table for the refresh of the iPhone 8, which will get rid of the Touch ID in favor of a larger screen and launch in upcoming month of in March. A couple of days ago, we heard the iPhone 6.7-inch upcoming iPhone have a triple camera with a 3D sensing and a 6GB of RAM, while the 6.1-inch iPhone triple camera with a 3D sensing and the 6GB of RAM. While the 6.1-inch, the other variant of the 6.1-inch iPhone has a dual camera and 4GB of RAM, and the last one is the 5.4-inch iPhone has a dual rear camera setup with a 4GB of RAM. The report retards a similar one from the previously analyzed back in November that also claimed the highest two iPhone 12 Pro model will feature a 6GB of RAM in 2020. All four phones are said to feature a OLED display, but two of the higher end ones may use a Samsung mode ones. So guys, this is the current update. There is a good update if you love the upcoming iPhone is the tailored than the last year launched iPhone 11 Pro Max. So hope you like this video. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.